So guys, we're gonna go on these bikes here. So fun, you know, we're gonna be going on bikes. I've never been on a four-wheeler like this before.
Brake. This one brake.
Okay.
This
Brakes.
one gas.
Gas? Okay.
Please careful drive. Bike it. No, yeah.
What's this?
This one don't use. Okay. All circle. All red one inside. Circle drive. Please careful drive. Bike is reliever and accident 1000 fine. Please careful drive. Okay.
Oh, your shoes? You want them? We're starting now?
Yeah, started.
We're starting now. Okay. Oh, there's the place right there. Oh man, that was so crazy. Gonna go on these ATVs here, or the four-wheelers like that. Whoa, look at the hawk. Damn. I'm on a horse now. This horse is so nice. Nice horsey, nice horsey. Isn't this horse riding?
By yourself, without the guy.
Oh.
Have you went?
You want to go?
That was crazy. We just went on a horse here. Hey, with the squad here. That nice mustache. Number one. We're gonna go on the camels here. Then we're gonna go on the bikes there. They told me to stop drifting. Yeah, I was drifting because I was going so fast and turning it so fast too.
He thought this was Mario Kart.
It is Mario Kart, the Arabian Mario Kart. But now we're gonna go on right on the camels, and I'll try to film that too. Oh, and there is the camp where we're gonna go eat in the buffet, and there's gonna be all the fun stuff in there. And there's gonna be the sandboarding where we're gonna go sandboard. There's the security dog over there. That's so scary the way the thing stood up. I didn't film it on time. Woo, woo. This is awesome. I love this desert safari here. We're on the camel here. Look at it. We're on the top of the camp right now. Here you can see everything. This thing is like a castle, and you can see everything inside the camp. And now we're looking for Tawfiq. I wonder if he's down there somewhere. We were just there sandboarding. Tawfiq! We're in line for food right now. There's a buffet going on here. Sorry. I scared everyone when I start talking. I'm a YouTuber, guys. Calm down. I'll take it. Okay, we just got our food here. Now there's belly dancing going on here. Oh, we got a dancer over here. It's a guy, not a girl this time. Tawfiq, film this for me? Can you film it?
A few moments later.
Damn, that guy's going hard. Damn, look at all the food they have here. I never ate. They're about to close, so I'm gonna get some food and eat, and then we'll leave out of here. Okay, I just got the food here. Bam! Look at that. Oh man, that was good. We just finished eating. Now we're gonna, what are we gonna do now? Yeah, now we're just gonna go home. Go back home. Maybe we'll go to the mall. I don't know. Get something to do something. I don't know. Dubai Mall?
Again, Dubai Mall?
Yeah,
Is there
man.
any other mall?
I don't know. How many malls are
We need
there?
to say hi to people.
There are a lot of malls.
Look at the horses over there, the ones we were riding on.
Where do you guys get your license? We're just kidding.
This is snowboard.
No, this is not a snowboard. It's very different.
It looks like a snowboard to me.
What is it? Sandboard. It's specifically for the sand.
Because it's not